Hello everyone, welcome to Anda Visits. In today's video, we'll be discussing the best horror movies to watch on Amazon Prime. Absentia. One of the most prominent filmmakers in horror today is Mike Flanagan, helmer of Netflix's popular Haunting of Hill House series. Flanagan made his name in recent years by directing films like Oculus, Geralt's Game and Hush. But the first feature was emotionally harrowing 2011 indie Absentia. To reveal too much about the plot would be a disservice to new viewers, as the film is best experienced knowing as little as possible. Absentia is a film that seeks to unnerve and unsettle viewers more than startle or gross them out.
I saw it. Hallucinated. I saw it.
Ginger Snaps. The werewolf is one of horror's oldest monsters, dating back to the universal classic The Wolfman, starring Lon Chaney Jr. One of the most creative spins on the werewolf story is 2000's Ginger Snaps, a Canadian indie from director John Foucault that's gone on to cultivate a large cult fan base. Goth sisters Ginger and Brigitte are obsessed with death. This is until death comes knocking via an attack by a werewolf on Ginger. Before long, Ginger becomes a murderous beast, and it's untimely up to Brigitte to try and stop her reign of the terror.
Whoa.
Hellraiser. Body horror is a subgenre unto itself in the world of horror, with movies like The Thing, The Fly, and Scanners fitting into the mold. And novelist or filmmaker Clive Barker pushed the limits within this type of film with Hellraiser. After a portal to hell is opened courtesy of a puzzle box called the Lament Configuration, creatures known as Cenobites, led by the soul-destroying Pinhead, unleash a course of horrific events when one of their victims manages to escape their torturous underworld and feed on the blood of the living.
Unlike anything.
Midsommar. After his 2018 directorial debut Hereditary, expectations were high for Ari Aster's 2019 follow-up Midsommar. Thankfully, Aster didn't experience a sophomore slump. Midsommar follows a group of college students who get invited to attend an Asian celebration in Sweden. To reveal too much about the plot would be disservice to new viewers, but suffice to say what follows is a mind-blending, startling and frightening psychological shocker.
We only do this every 90 years.
Pet Cemetery. For about as long as there have been Stephen King books, there have been Stephen King movies. One of the most generally well-regarded of those adaptations is Pet Sematary, helmed by director Mary Lambert and now on Amazon Prime. With a script penned by King himself, the film follows the book quite closely, although not entirely. While supernatural forces drive the plot and the tale of Dr. Louis Creed and his unfortunate family finds some of its most terrifying moments via a monster that's all too real and universal.
May the Lord bless.